even is CRISPR gene editing? Let's find out. I'll break it down and show you how it's revolutionizing our health, our food, and our energy. CRISPR is a genetic biotechnology that allows us to rewrite DNA. So kids who are born with genetic mutations have hope for the first time ever that we can rewrite and fix those DNA mistakes. It's not just for kids. Adults who are suffering from acquired or chronic conditions can be treated as well. On this page alone, so far I've talked about cancer, diabetes, hemophilia, HIV, and the list goes on. I mean, right now, there are over 1,200 active clinical trials in cell and gene therapy around the world. That means that in the next 2 to 10 years, we'll see an influx of genetic medicines and more curative options for people living with inherited or acquired diseases. Now, I created CRISPR Classroom to help you better understand how cell and gene therapies might cure the diseases that you care about. You can ask about those in the comments. But our health is just the beginning. Remember, CRISPR can rewrite DNA, and other organisms besides us have DNA. Scientists are using it to engineer new plants to make them healthier, more disease-resistant, and heat-tolerant. Plus cooler applications like modifying them to exist in space for longer-term extraterrestrial explorations. And it's not just for plants. The FDA approved the first ever gene-edited cattle in 2022 for meat production. Finally, we're using gene editing to create better biofuels. For example, by engineering algae, we were able to double the amount of biodiesel production for these renewable energy sources. Sure, there are going to be challenges along the way and ethical considerations we'll need to account for, but as a genetic engineer myself, I am so excited to see what the next 10 years brings.